Welcome to a journey through 2 decades of excellence and innovation in life sciences and healthcare training. This is the story of Cliniminds, a beacon of knowledge that has been lighting the path for life sciences and healthcare professionals worldwide since its inception in 2004. Born out of a vision to bridge the skilling gap between academia and industry, Cliniminds has been steadfast in its mission to provide skilled workforce to the global pharmaceutical and medical devices industry. For 20 years, it has set the benchmark for quality education in clinical research, pharmacovigilance, clinical data management, regulatory affairs, and more. The faculty and trainers at Cliniminds are not just teachers, but industry leaders who bring their rich experience to the classroom. They have been instrumental in shaping the curriculum that is not only comprehensive, but also in sync with the demands of the industry. Recognition of this caliber of education has come in the form of numerous prestigious awards. Cliniminds proudly holds the LSSSDC certification and ACRI USA International accreditation among its laurels, testaments to its unwavering commitment to quality education. Career opportunities? Cliniminds opens up a world of them. Be it in clinical research, pharmacovigilance, or medical writing, this institution has been a launchpad for thousands of successful careers in global companies. The driving force behind these success stories is the strong placement support that Cliniminds offers. With a robust network of industry connections, it ensures that its students are not just well-educated, but well-placed too. In summary, Cliniminds stands tall as a leader in life sciences and healthcare training. Its 20-year legacy is marked by top-notch education, prestigious awards, and successful alumni. As it steps into the future, it continues to carry its torch of knowledge, lighting the paths for professionals worldwide. Thank you for joining this journey through the legacy of Cliniminds. With a commitment to excellence and a vision for the future, it continues to shape the world of life sciences and healthcare, one student at a time.